I'm Doug McDougall, General Manager of Sisley for Honda, and we have something here that a lot of people are interested in, and it's a 2019 Honda Odyssey EX. And the beauty with this is that you can get a late model vehicle for a lot less than buying new. And this one only has 35,000 kilometers on it. It's accident free. And I'm going to just take you around the car because of COVID-19. Some people are encouraged, well, not some people, we're all encouraged to stay at home. And this is a way where you can come and see the vehicle and without leaving your home. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pop the hood, and then we're going to show you what the tires are like on the front. I'm looking at the tires. I see about 5 to 630 seconds of tread wear left, more than ample. I've been looking at the wheels to see if there are any scrapes or pits. I don't see any as yet, and I don't see anything on the front bumper or anything on the hood that should alarm anybody. I'm just going to pop the hood and show you what the inside is. This vehicle is fairly recent to us, so we haven't had a chance to really detail it. So you can see that the engine's got a little bit of dirt on it, and once we detail it, we'll get it all cleaned up, and it will look as close to new as what you can find. So we're going to scan down the side again. You can see all the tread on the passenger side wheel. I don't see any marks on this at all. It's about as clean and occasionally I'll see little yeah, again it's just little dirt marks here and there. Again, we haven't detailed it. This one's kind of nice. It's kind of a striking interior. It's got a charcoal gray exterior, and it's got a light gray interior. It's kind of nice, kind of contrast. Makes the vehicle a little bit bigger than what it is. One thing EXs have over LX is this. I would never get an LX because I just can't envision opening and closing sliding doors manually. Again, we've got to detail this, so the interior, you're seeing it the way that we've got it. So it could use a little bit of a clean, but you know what? We're going to show it to you, and some people actually prefer seeing it like this. They want to know the condition before it gets clean so that they can see it for themselves that it came in properly and accident-free. Again, the wheels are in really good shape. I would say we're probably going to clean up the rear rotors because I see a little bit of rust on there. And we'll get this thing right up to new. Here's a shot of the back. We have one seat folded down inside. These are Odysseys are great utility vehicles. And I firmly believe Honda makes probably the best minivan out there right now. Just close that. It's gorgeous condition. Privacy glass from the rear door back. And we're just gonna, most of it is all visual. I see a little mark down here on the bumper, and we're gonna do that. We'll get that finished up and professionally done so that mark's gone. So you're seeing it the exact way that we've gotten it. One nice thing that we're doing with the COVID crisis is we're beginning to, not beginning, actually for a few weeks we've been selling vehicles remotely. We've been doing it by email, courier, and when the deal is all done, we put the vehicle on our Sisley Hino flatbed truck, and we take it right to your driveway and drop it off. Kind of a neat experience for our customers. They really enjoy it, and best of all, we stand behind the product. So any used car that you pick up, if there's something that you feel isn't right, we'll back it, and we'll even include a 7-day exchange. If you happen to get a car that you're just not happy with, you can exchange it with many of the used cars that we have in stock. Thank you for watching the video, and hopefully we'll see you soon.